Amapedi.
Different types of cheese in me. I'm
Inspired.
Jonga pa.
Who is this guy? Who nani? Who is this guy?
Say ngulwesithathu namhlanje and I'm getting ready. It's into we are going to. I think we say Foshin or something. I don't know, I'm not sure. I think we're going to Foshin as a class. Yeah, kuthiwa siye Foshin namhlanje ngobani. Ubawufika nga-early kaloku. As course it's not the outing so wow ufika nga-early. It's chai boy. And this is not something that happens. So ungacinga bafana ba this is one of the what you call, this is one of the pros, not cons, of university. Excited on Tolly Barrett. Should I go like this? Okay, like this. I think on Tolly Barrett, man. I don't have to do production, don't do it. Just straight. Some are straight na lab. But like life from them. IPBS. I don't understand why being an IFM family.
The next one.
We're gonna take left. No, it's gonna pass the next one.
We're passing.
The next one, yes, we're passing straight.
And where are you going? I hope we're not going to Maitland.
I'm just following the epi. I'm just following what in the village album, man. If we say you're wrong, straight up.
And the next
Left, go.
They're ignoring the board. Yeah.
Kuta ino nino tela ulahlekwe fika ngosesifikile. Ithi into we are going siyabi TFG.
Yeah.
Siya TFG. Sokwenzani?
Nama ngazi.
But it was TFG and
Ayizole ngoma edlalayo.
and I'm the one directing.
Lapha ngeke nanokuthi ngiyarecorda opposite.
Much better. Now you see what's going on. So the ladies,
I think I'm gonna is over. So let me just stand here.
So Chris, this is Chris. Chris is in charge of all the films coming in. His job is to check the work. Whatever the issue not say, if it has buttons, if the packet say 100 buttons, it's his job to check the buttons, to check if what they say is correct in the package. So he must count every button. Even though we count by hand, it is a skull there, it is put on the skull away. But that is his function. Whatever comes in, you must check it. And if a packet say, for example, 100, and you count 80, on 80 is our job in the office to check them out. We tell them, listen here, on this piece number, they say 100, it is only 80 buttons. Then they must talk to people easy, they must replace the 80 buttons to make the order full. And then, I also mentioned we print our own wash case in-house and we print our own IDs. Guys, I show you guys how we print.
Please.
See how we print it. That might show you.
You're gonna see how they print their own wash care labels.
All the work on the floor, the ladies here, the paper. See the buns there? So all the trims in there is with a garment. So zips will be on there, the buttons will be on there, the waistbands will be in the trims. What else is there? Hanger loops is there. All IDs will be in there, and the wash case will be in there. So the ladies here, gentlemen, they pack all the work ready for the floor. When the floor is busy with the same work stuff, the iron is busy ironing, they will work on face.
Hey, kuyasetshenzwa apha. Hayi. Andiyivanga le iphathi, but okay. This Ako ningekho apha ke ayona yonke way. Like it's a whole, like, what do you call this? Process of manufacturing. What? You were It's coming on YouTube. This is YouTube coming on. This is a one.
Yo, Kaipura, what's going on here?
I don't know what's going on, boy. We are going to TFG, and we are at TFG. What you call this? Prestige clothing. This is manufacturing. Tonton for TFG, yeah, boy. So we are touring, basically. We're having a tour around the whole factory. I don't know where are we now. Oh, this is where they print.
So here we print pricing numbers, stickers on the garments.
Oh.
Prices. We print this here in-house. And the wash cage.
Sure.
The wash cage.
That's the one.
Also print in-house ourselves.
Oh, nice.
Thank you, ladies.
Morning.
Yo, we outside. Is it outside or inside? We outside. So we're at TFG. I'm a visitor, and I'm inspired.
Don't lie. You don't have to lie. Sir, what's it?
Me? Kubera wena uvuloke me. Nanguthatha amapi.
I don't know what's inside, hold on. But yeah, we're having like a world tour, like I said. This is like, oh, my boy, I don't know. But it's so inspiring. Hey. Chongumfethu. Hey, Gabaleko. Chongapa. Ichong, Hey. Ay, dali le ayna.
Ayna ngayo nina le isona le nthatha 3 minutes.
Except I know apa.
There's no room for mistakes lana phela.
Umuntu ayiniphathi yakhe.
Kuyasabisa.
Batho ayina iprocess bokotsini. Agqithise kwalandelayo omnye ayina.
Aniphikhwa lana.
Akaniphikhwa. Wa-unpika itsala emrholweni. Mole njani?
Loluya ngathi uhlanyala la emsebenzini ngithi.
Yiyo le baba. Seyiphanga. Ayikho nchalani le. I think we're going back. Hey, ndayifuna le jacket kodwa.
Ayisebenzi anibika la.
Hayi. I think going back to that side. So this is a cutting room side. We have a bunch of lot of things, man. This is a automated machine. Oh, Nancy Mark. Once we have more than one side, we will always come and do by the moment.
Tell them you are lost. Tell them you are lost.
I am not lost.
Tidinyan. Utwa. Wamandima nobuthi ndamfo kwathi. What's that? Oh wait. Oh yeah. No touch. Moving table. You say yeah, move all the way. Oh, chilling up. On this side of the bonagak. And Eva, move on. Jabona, but and Eva, excuse me. I think like I'm English.
Are you inspired?
What does inspire mean? Sorry, the picture.
So it's your engineer styles. When you do your checks in hand styles, which needs to. If you now have to look at that, sorry to use her now. If you look at that young lady's jersey that she has on, so that needs to match across. So that needs to be laid in a special way, and it needs to be cut a special way for her to have that, and it doesn't up and down. Then that you get exactly. So all of that happens on this table here. The manual laying, the manual cutting. So if you for argument's sake, if you're looking at that young gentleman's shirt. No, I'm speaking about you. You don't mind if I use it? Yeah. So if you look at this, so that is matching across. So this you can't just lay and cut. This needs to be laid in a specific way and cut, because otherwise, if that doesn't match that, then the young gentleman wouldn't have bought the shirt. So he loved the shirt because why? At all. So all of the engineered styles, as we say, hand styles gets done on table 12 because that's all your manual. And if we move next to it.
And that's the styles I spoke about where planning has to take into account that it's going to take longer to cut
Extra lead right here.
because they lay it up by hand.
So there's a lot of work that goes into it to be able to achieve that at the end of it. So if we move on to the next.
Dr. Sarah Samboy, you have women.
So this is basically, which I said to you guys, we have 6 tables. This is basically your sobering. So what this ladies does, they actually labeling the panels. So what I mentioned earlier, you got more than one size in the lathe. You got more. So your garment, like the t-shirt that this gentleman has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panels. For us, so each roll in different rolls at different dialect, meaning it's different shades. For us to keep the shade together, they label it. So once it goes to the floor, once they start one, then they'll take the one back, the one front, the one sleeve, knowing that that will make the same shade garment. Meaning that when you make up that garment, you're not going to have the different shade variation that you're going to have with the next row. Makes sense so far?
Yes, sir.
Buzi, ngilimile ubhonsi. Bonke abantu balapha banento kubhonsi. You know why it is to protect their bonsies.
Yabona la waravlen ukuthi yabo lo sabisa and nabo lobu slow wesihlezi slow bona thina eclassini ungaphelelwa umsebenzi la.
Khuluma mina manje ngithi kunzima ukuba mfishane in this world. Kunzima ngibona lutho.
Back.
Hold on, yeah, I did it easily. Different types of cheese in me, I'm freezing. Try something on for a reason, get to it first every season. I put a seed down and got a tree. I'ma just climb it up and get a piece.
As big as that.
Him, what is it? Scanning the box or
It's
is
scanning the RFID. So each garment will have an RFID, so your price ticket. So this is what they print.
okay?
And that's based on the retailer's purchase order, because they decide the price and everything and all the information. And then behind this is like a RFID, and then that gets scanned.
So it doesn't have to see. So like it doesn't have to see. It just scans. Oh.
So if it goes red, then they open it and then you check what is wrong.
Oh wow. Nice. You said what? The name of the machine?
We just call it an RFID scanner.
RFID scanner. Oh. Yeah.
R5 ID scanner.
Wow. Pose, boy. Pose, labo. Cut. You're going this side. Which side is this?
It's a dispatch room.
Dispatch. Yes. This is where the orders live. The manufacturer. They are being loaded there.
We are sending everything.
And
So now we are taking you to see the ladies' waist. All the waist. Oh. This is the ladies.
this is the recycling area. So e-waste is organized into plastics, fabrics, cardboards, papers, and it's gonna go wherever it goes for recycling. Tennis mean?
Agumachere.
Izahaba, niyenza.
Amapeti.
Hayi, awatshela njani? Uthi usimilo akumachere.
Amapeti.